In a few more days, my entire garden is going to be transformed. It is something that I have to do for the safety of myself and for the protection of my garden. Now, I recently experienced something that has never happened before inside this area of my garden. And as a result of that, I am currently in the process of making some adjustments. I'm going to be taking out this side. I might possibly make some adjustment to this area right here where I have my strawberries and my red peas growing. And I am also going to be making some adjustments to this side as well. So now, because of the adjustments that I'm going to be making, my thyme that I have been growing in these cinder blocks have to come out. So in this video, I am going to show you how I get my thyme to look so big and beautiful growing in cinder blocks. So I have 3 cinder blocks of thyme right here, and I have another 3 growing over here. These ones need to be watered, and these ones over here too. All right, guys, so let's get into what we're going to be talking about right now, which is growing thyme from store-bought thyme. All right, guys, so before I know that I could actually grow thyme from store-bought thyme, I tried growing them from seeds, and I was not successful, not even one time. The seeds germinate, yes, but how far did they get to? Not really far. I have some teeny tiny seedlings that didn't make it at all. So I start my research, and when I found out that I could grow thyme from store-bought thyme, so I went and I bought some thyme at Walmart. I believe was the first place that I bought some thyme. And what I did, I simply strip away the bottom section of the thyme. I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be giving you a demonstration right now. But I need to get a piece of the thyme that I'm currently growing. All right, so as I was saying earlier, after I purchased the thyme at the store, I strip away the bottom leaves from the softer part. You don't need to use the woody part of the thyme because it's going to take a very, very long time for it to get roots, or it might even just die out and don't even catch. So I strip off the bottom section, and I came and I stuck it in the soil in these cinder blocks. And as you can see, guys, they are growing very, very nice. So I am sticking this one right back in here. You might be wondering what type of soil to grow your thyme in. I would say very loose soil. And I believe one of the trick, guys, is to keep the roots hydrated, and that is my reason for covering them with the little mini greenhouses so the leaves or the thyme will not dry up. So after your thyme is established and puts out its new roots, you can put it in a very sunny area because it needs full sun for it to grow. But for right now, this is where I'm going to be keeping the thyme until I decide where I am going to be planting them. All right, so that's the first set of thyme right there, and I'm going to get the others to come and plant them in this container and that one over there. Alright guys, so I have already moved this set of thyme and this one, and now I'm going to be covering them again. Alright, so let's do this one first. So I have my all of the thyme from those cinder blocks transplanted in this crate right here. So let's move the ones over there right now. So guys, growing thyme is extremely easy to do. If you ask me, I would call this method the set it and forget it. Because a few weeks ago, all I did was just to shave the bottom of the thyme as I explained and show you. I stuck it in the soil and I covered it with my little mini greenhouses. They do not need a lot of water because once they're covered, the mini greenhouses, they will provide whatever moisture they need, and that is why they are looking so beautiful, guys. Thyme do not love to have their roots being wet, and that is why they have to be in the hot Mediterranean sun. And that is why they are also considered as the sun worshippers. So full sun is non-negotiable. We should aim for them to get 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. And they also need well-draining soil. So if you have not yet tried growing thyme in your garden, how about trying this method? And if you've been trying for years, for weeks, for months, or days, and nothing is happening with those seeds, go grab yourself some cuttings from the grocery store, the farmer's market, wherever you can get them, and start growing your thyme today.